front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard. Now to use Clipboard, copy any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it, use pin icon. And then if you want to unpin it, do exactly the same. To delete it, hold it and tap on pin icon next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete text on the go, click at the bottom right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, click on top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!